Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today we're going to be helping out the Thanksgiving Day clause. The clause is I got to help mommy cook. So today we're going to make her recipe of green beans. And everybody likes them. So they're quick, they're easy. So it's all going to be on full time. I'm not going to wait, but I'm not going to do the taste test at the end. So if you guys want to be nice and help me out, watch the whole video, number one. Number two, give me a like, share with your friends, subscribe, and when you do, that little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, and each time we get another video, you'll be notified. But I need help watching the videos, okay? That's my main thing. But at any rate, this is going to be pretty quick. We're going to be making some more stuff. I've been cooking all day, so I'm going to share this recipe with you, and hopefully it's pretty good. I know it's good. I just hopefully you guys might try it. Some of you I think already have. Okay, funny thing for me is I cooked bacon and stuff this morning, just specifically for this, and I dumped the grease, and so I had to go get the grease. There it is. We're going to be using bacon grease. That's not that much. It looks like a lot, but it's all heating up in the pan. We got some garlic. We're probably going to use maybe a tablespoon. Just depends. I like a little more. Mommy don't like that much, okay? Then bacon that I cooked this morning, cut it up already. Then some of her dad's canned green beans. Everybody likes those. And that's pretty much it. I was going to put some pepper flakes in there, but I had to stick to her recipe, so no pepper flakes. Yeah, and I'm doing this in cast iron, as you can see. This is one of my first pots that I got here, but you guys really can't see it, but maybe you can. There's a little notch right there. It's not really a notch. It's something like it got chipped, but it's got a hairline crack that goes down about halfway, but it's so thin, so fine. I still use it, but that's one of the things. If you go looking for cast iron, you got to have like a magnifying glass, a bright flashlight, make sure it doesn't spin, doesn't rock, no pitting. I mean, this one's really good, but anyway, this recipe here is quick and easy. It's green beans. Oh, and I forgot about I'm going to crack some fresh black pepper in there. We don't really need the salt because of the bacon. But what I'm going to do now while that's still heating up, popping a lid on the green beans, and I'm straining them, getting all that water out of there. You know, sometimes I wonder how the heck you get those in there. Because when you go to get them out, they don't want to come out there like packed in like for days, crisscross and holding each other in. You're like screaming, no, I'm not going, no, you can't get me, Mr. Bill, help me. But anyway. Anyway, just so you can see, all the green beans, they're in the strainer, being drained. I'm probably making a mess on the floor, so I'll get yelled at for that, but that's okay. I'm used to getting yelled at. I'm a man amongst getting yelled at. Okay, so I don't want to get this too hot, so what we're going to do now is that's about a tablespoon. Personally, I think with the amount of beans, I should have added more, but I'm sticking to my queen's recipe. And like I said, this is pretty straightforward. It's not nothing. That's a nice side dish, though. Okay, we don't want to burn the garlic, so in goes the beans. And we want to try to coat the beans the best that we can with the nice bacon grease. And that's what's nice about these. We make them ahead of time. We do it every year like this. Well, Penny usually does this. I do other things like play Nintendo, watch TV. No, I'm only kidding. Nope. She usually mans the turkey. She likes doing the turkey. I take care of the mashed potatoes, the stuffing, But that's okay. She likes doing the turkey, and it always comes out really good. I don't know what she does to it. I know she could roll around on it, beat it up. I don't know. But it always comes out real good. Okay, then we're going to add in the bacon that I cooked. Okay. I got a few more pieces over there I was saving, but I think I'm going to just cut those up, throw them in there. Yeah, Penny don't like the method I use to cook my bacon. Because what I do, I use the water method. I don't know if you guys ever tried that. I did a video on it. But it comes out nice. It's nice, a little pliable, definitely done. You don't lose no flavor. But what happens, you don't make a mess. The water keeps all that stuff from splattering. And when it gets down to the end, all the water's gone, and you got bacon grease. So, like I said, I still got other stuff to do today, but so far today I've accomplished, I'm putting some black pepper in now. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. I think I need a new pepper brand. I got a couple of those ones that you buy in the store nowadays with, it's in a plastic thing, a little plastic bottle with the peppercorns in there, and they got a plastic grater on the top. Oh, boy. Hold on, guys. Okay, so what I did, I got ahead of myself, so we'll just go over this real quick. I strained the beans, put the said beans in here, mixed them up, and then I put the bacon that I already had cooked. So that's pretty much the recipe. I don't know what I did with the camera, but anyway, this is it. I'm going to give it a little taste test. This dish will be done for tomorrow. Very tasty. So without further ado, my friends, this is Mr. Dan saying stay hungry. Come back when you are. I'm going to give you another dish just like this. You guys should try this. I'm going to put it out today so you can have it for Thanksgiving. It doesn't take much. Number one, you need to fry up some bacon, save the fat. Number two, put some garlic in there, don't burn it. Number three, you can use fresh frozen green beans, or you can use canned green beans. We use 2 jars for us. We eat a lot of them. You put those in there, stir them around, get them nice and warm and juicy with all that bacon grease, then throw some bacon in there, cracked pepper, and you've got it. So, y'all have a good day, and we'll see you on Thanksgiving. I got to show you them beans one time from the top. That really is nice. That's my cast iron too. I like that. All right, we're out.